Let's say that you want to use a very old application which used to run in Windows 95 or 98 and you're not being able to run that out here in Windows 10. Actually, in Windows 10, there's a compatibility option which lets you believe that the software is running in an older version of Windows. So let's see how we can do exactly that. After you install the software, so you can select the software that you want to run. In my case, let me just select Adobe Breeze right over here. Let's say the software is not working because it's a very old software. You can actually go over here and then open the file location by going on to more right here. So you go to the shortcut option for that application. And then what you do is you right click on it, you go to properties right over here. And in properties, you'll find compatibility as an option. So you can run the compatibility troubleshooter. So once you run that, it'll try to find out which compatibility, which Windows version is the best for the program to run. Or you can just manually run the program in the compatibility mode. So you can choose Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, as you can see right here. And if you have like a pro version of Windows, then you even have older versions of Windows right over here. So let's say I want to run this in Windows Vista right over here. Press apply and press OK. And now whenever I start the application, it runs in Windows Vista like environment for that particular application right over here. So if you have any problems with the older version of software, you can simply run the compatibility option and then it'll run it out just like this. So that is how you can use the compatibility settings inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.